Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make a dish for eggplant lovers. This is a very delicious eggplant dish it is. So, we have the pan here. This is a copper pan. We're going to put about like quarter oil. Like I always say, my dishes are not recipes. What we have to do over here, we're going to fry the eggplant. It's already washed and it was warm. I put it on heat. What we have to do, we have to fry this. When I say fry, it's not in deep fryer, just a little bit to make it limp and turn it like, loosen it up. Now this dish, when you fry it, you make sure you have a cover because the oil will jump. And sometimes even you can put a paper towel so the oil doesn't go up. You can do this dish with the long eggplant or the big one. What you can do with the big one, you can cut it in four and you can fry it. Or the long ones, just regular, just like this. We have to let this to be fried, saute a little bit. I'm going to put this plate this side so I can bring this one here to be closer to the vegetable. And once in a while, just move it. Now over here again, it's a little 3/4 cup in oil. What we have to do, we have to saute. What we need, onion, tomato, parsley, green pepper, red pepper, and garlic. Again, however much do you want, you will put it. There is no recipe. This is, and you can use any color onion do you want, any kind or any color. Now, we're not going to brown this. We're just going to make it translucent, the onion. We're going to just a little bit saute this. Don't be afraid of cooking because without measurement cooking, it always comes more delicious. You just have to do it with your heart, with love, when you do any kind of dish. The recipe is in your mouth. It's a taste of your mouth. That's the recipe. Sometimes I've seen people, they put recipe, they put the flour or whatever, they just wipe it like very carefully. And then after they mix everything, when they are pouring into the plate, they leave some here, they leave some over there. So there is no limit in cooking. Cooking is, it has to come within you, from inside of you. So let's not forget this. This one sometimes we have to twist it. There you go. Now that the onion is almost more or less getting ready, I'm going to put the garlic. In this dish, the most tastiest part is the onion and the garlic, which is very, very important, the garlic. Do not forget. This is about like a head of an onion, garlic, I'm sorry. The onion is one head, the garlic is another, but you can put as much as you want. So, we're going to loosen it up a little bit, saute this, so the garlic taste, it goes into the oil. My dishes are very, very simple and very tasty, delicious. You will love it. I can call this vegan or vegetarian dish. Anybody can eat this dish. Now we have to put the red bell pepper. If you like, you can put chili in it, chili pepper, whatever you prefer. And now the green pepper. And don't leave vegetables in your plate, in your dish. Just empty it, all of it. You're working hard for it, you're cutting it, you buy it, you spend the money, enjoy every bit of vegetables. Vegetables are very good for you, very healthy for you. It keeps you healthiest person on earth. You'll stay away from the doctors. Less meat you eat, it's better for you. You can eat, but try to eat more vegetables. It's more healthier for us. God gives us all this beautiful vegetable, the nature, the beauty. Look at this. It looks like it's a fresh garden, it is. We're going to saute this a little bit. And then last minute, we're going to put the tomato. I'm going to check my eggplant. I'm sure you're hearing the sizzling over here. There you go. But make sure that you don't leave unattended, because you don't want the napkin or the paper towel, whatever, catch on fire, which it won't, but make sure you stay here. It's getting there. See, you can see the color already is changing. It's frying very, very good. You can feel it start to get softer. So you can put on high heat so it will do the job fast. Just make sure cover it so you don't make a mess on your stove. There we go. See how beautiful it is already? Now I'm going to put half of the tomato over here and half of the parsley. I'm just going to keep the rest for putting on top while I'm cooking later on. Look how beautiful it looks. Just by looking, it tells you already, come and eat me. That's how delicious it looks, and it smells very nice. Now you can put a little bit red pepper, like again, it's preference how much you want. If you want spicy, you can put more. If you want less, you can put less. We have to put a little bit black pepper. We're going to put now, because it's almost finished, now we can add our salt. Always I add, and make sure that you put it lightweight, not like heavy to get so much salt. It's a taste of your mouth. Don't think I put a lot. It looks like that, but I did not. Now this dish is ready. Okay, we're going to turn this off. We don't need anything else. Very simple, very plain, and very delicious will be. Now, we put this away. We're going to put the tray here. And now you can see already my eggplant is done. I'm going to turn this off. All right. Now this one is done. What we're going to do, we're going to take this out. Now what we have to do is we're going to take the knife and we're going to make a slit. Just cut it like this and open it the way you see it. Let's do this because it's kind of hot. This is very, very, very delicious, tasty dish. Anybody doesn't even like the eggplant, they will love it, because you're not gonna taste too much like an eggplant. You're gonna taste all kind of vegetables combined together. It's vegetarian. Again, all these kind of dishes that I make with vegetarian, it can stay even a week in a refrigerator. You can eat anytime, cold or hot. We're gonna take a spoon and we're gonna stuff this delicious vegetable inside, just like this. It's okay if it breaks, don't worry about it. You can stuff it because it's gonna stay next to each other. They are not gonna go any place. Just stuff it as much as you can and as much as it can handle the eggplant. Like I said, even if it's a big eggplant, you can buy it and you can cut it in 4. And the long ones that they call Japanese eggplant, I don't know what, you can do the same thing. Now after you put this, you can cook this on the fire or in the oven. Either way, it's fine. So this way when we were cooking, the taste of the vegetables and the eggplants, they will combine together, like they will love each other. All right, now that this is done, the leftover, it's fine. Like I said, you can even eat the leftover just like this. Now that it's you put everything, the tomatoes, you can add it the sides. So what it does, if you put on the stove, the tomato, it will leave its juices, liquid. And you put the parsley on, just like this. And this is the way you cook in the oven or on a stove. But when you do it on the stove, we have to add 1 cup of water and we have to let it steam for maybe 10 to 15 minutes maximum. We don't want to make too liquidy, so about like half a cup. Let's see. There you go. See, now you can see the liquid inside. Not much, just very little, because it's already, everything is cooked. What we do, if you like, you can put the leftover on top of it. It's fine. Sometimes my kids, they love to eat just the way it is, the vegetable. So now the minute it starts to boil, I will cover it and I will lower it for 15 minutes and the food will be ready. I'll be back the minute it's done. It took exactly 20 minutes covered. After it boiled, now I'm going to turn this off. 15, maximum 20 minutes. After it boils, you will cover it and then you will lower it, and it will not so little, on a medium heat, and it will cook. Look how beautiful it cooked. So this is the way. Let me have my spoon. Oh, it smells so good. This is the way you will present your guests to your family. They take, you put them, you can eat this with the rice pilaf. You can eat this just like that. There you go. Here. This is such a beautiful dish it is. Let's turn it this way. Oh, the taste, the smell is so good. I can, the minute I put this, I'm gonna eat them. I hope you can join me and enjoy the food. All right, this is the way you do. This food, it will be eaten with the pita bread. And usually in Middle East, we eat this with the green onion and the white onion on the table should be always. We eat this together. Like I said, you can even make rice pilaf next to it, or just like this way you eat. So this is the dish, and this copper plate, copper pan that I have it for a long time. It's really good copper chef it is. You can buy it. Click on the link you can see in description in case if you're interested to buy. It's a very good pan it is, that it does not burn no matter what. So this is the dish again. I want to thank you very much. I hope you'll try it and you will enjoy it. It's very delicious. White onion, green onion, this is from our garden. This is how you eat. And thank you for watching again. I appreciate. Bye bye.